It's autumn in the Bangertoospolder in Zwaag, and the swans are enjoying an autumn day cleaning their feathers. They're preparing for a long and cold winter. Well, basically they're not, because they will just fly away and enjoy summer in Spain and party on the beach. It has been a nice summer for the swans. They've grown to be young adults with their old baby feathers still in place. The feathers will soon shed and change into the white color of their parents, which marks the moment they will be set off to live on their own and even start their own families. Life is nice in the Bangertoospolder. There are no natural enemies for the swans, just cars, which are not natural and therefore not natural enemies. No cougars, no pumas, no tigers, no lions, no bobcats, and no elephants to step on them. It's rather safe in the Bangertoospolder to be a swan, and that's probably the reason why they had so many babies.